The electric air crackles, snaps to a lightning round of fanfares.
We will walk in a rain of glittering trinkets of joy, all true believers in a world of choices.
Under a murder moon, we all need extra happiness and a reason to dance.
Her eyes fluttered, then closed.
Anxiously devour my body.
I'm here with the true believers, sweating, breathing in, breathing out in this holy war within myself.
Far away from the lonely mountain.
Has the sacrifice happened already?
The mysterious rendition of how weather was made at this point of inception, where the holy war happened in the above.
I quake, the divide difficult.
Both of us thought to crack the routine.
That moment when night intersected day.
The sun should scare us all with its fangs directed to man's ancient earth.
Thank you for the holy war.
Like the trickster god Loki, it keeps us on our toes. Give me some of your fire, rang down from the mysterious rendition of the moon.
And the sun vomited rays, and the moon split asunder, and the cosmos returned to the beginning, a gulf overwhelmed by chaos.
That arrow is fletched with luck. I love the moon. When I'm in the desert with my partner, I love to go for evening walks with the moon shining down on us.
No end in sight, just the weeds popping up between the cracks in the paving stones.
We create stories to give us and our blinking minds some assurance that there is a story.
The unexpected reception tumbles up and over the unsure pathways.
Stairways to nowhere or the sky. Where did it go, the mothership?
Keep walking forward and believe truth is your touchstone.
Meanwhile, the decapitated temple of my heart calls for rain. The blue egg sky cracks. At last the tears fall wanton. It's about time.
And then it happened. The light went sideways, like an ice cream dream that never melts.
As we traveled, stories unfolded in our minds. Unexpected wonders fueled our longing hearts.